Hey guys, thank you for tuning in here to another video on the channel. As you guys can see, we got the Straight Talk home internet all-in-one internet router. Okay, so it's a 5G 4G LTE. So let's turn it around real quick. And it says here the package includes the router, the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and the setup guide. All right, so as you guys can see right here, it says the internet service can deliver download speeds of 20 to 100 Mbps and upload of 3 to 10 Mbps, and actual availability, coverage, and speeds may vary depending on location, address, signal strength, and network connection. So just letting you guys know that right there. What you do is you set up here, it tells you how to do it. You got to scan the QR code. Of course, you know, you can either purchase the card through them or you can do it through the website, which I'm going to do it through the website, guys. As you guys see, I have it pulled up. So you go to straighttalk.com and then you would click here on the little hamburger menu, and then on the hamburger menu you would click activate, and then you'll go down to home internet router, then you would hit activate right there, and then it's going to ask you piece of keys of information like IMEI and all that. So of course you can find all that at the bottom of the gateway. So let's get this set up, guys, and then I'm going to get it set up, get it activated, and then we'll be right back. Also, guys, while I'm sitting here setting it up, so I just put in the IMEI, I put in my address. Well, I put in a address, and it says here to use you need a plan, and it says here right here, activate your Arcadian home internet gateway box. So you can either purchase a plan now, or if you already have a card. So let me purchase this plan right now. So it says here it's $45 a month, and that's the only plan, and it's unlimited. And it says it right there, download speeds of 20-100 Mbps. Let's go to details on the plan, guys. All right, does it show any details? Let's see here. So plan 5G LTE networks, 30 days, home internet, truly unlimited home internet 5G LTE network depending on location, powered by 5G or 4G, and some customers may only get 4G LTE, so they let you know. Okay, so you would select and continue, and then you would continue from there. All right, so let me get this finished up, guys, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we got it activated. We're gonna hit continue, and then it is all set. I don't know why I put auto billing. I didn't even set that up. Damn. Okay, so there you go. As you can see, it's all set up. Your order has been placed, and it's actually $45. Then you can join the Straight Talk rewards. And yeah, that's it, guys. So let's open the box and let's see what's inside. All right, guys, we got done fighting with this thing. So okay, so it just comes whatever, the Straight Talk branding. So as you guys can see, this looks just like the gray Verizon box. So it tells you right here the FCC authorization number right there for you guys that want to research it. It is Wi-Fi 6E. All right, home internet. Let's see any other things that we need to know about it. So it shows right here the model number, the transceiver PN, serial number, SIM card number, whatever. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, this literally looks just like a Verizon, just like the Verizon box, the new gray one. So let's pull this sticker out real quick. Sorry guys, it's like sloppy, my video a little bit. It's just I don't have my tripod on me right now, and we're doing this on the go. So there you go. We got this open. All right, and there you go. You get your little pamphlet about the Straight Talk terms and conditions. Okay, you get your little setup guide, just like this is just like the Verizon one. You scan the QR code, gives you the track phone, terms and policies or whatever. I literally, guys, this is just the damn Verizon box. Why don't they just sell the damn SIM card? I wonder if you're an existing Verizon customer, if you could just get the damn SIM card. But this looks identical to it. Let's see here. So in the bottom here, it says track phone wireless Inc. So, all right, so you get your gateway. All right, let's see what else is in here. So, same type of Cat 6 5E or whatever, or 6 flat Ethernet wire, and same power adapter with the AC, and same power adapter as the Verizon gateway. So yeah, that's all that's in this box, guys. All right, let me get this plugged in and get it set up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we connected it to the internet box. So now that we got a solid white light, so right here we scan the QR code on the Pixel 7 Pro, on the other one I got. So let's see here, let it connect, because what I want to see is if it shows 6E like it says that it is. All right, so let's see. Come on, connect. Are you gonna connect? Let's go. Save networks. Okay, whatever that is. Maybe that's this one. Okay, so I guess it did not. All right, guys, you can see we got the little adapter. We got the home internet box right up here. If you need the password or anything, it's all down below. As you can see, guys, the branding, it says track phone, which is really interesting. So instead of saying Verizon, it says track phone wireless. Okay, so let's see here, guys. Let's see if we got it connected here. Frequency 2.4. What the heck? It says type Wi-Fi 4. So what we're gonna have to do, guys, is we're gonna have to go into the settings here, and we are going to have to change this, because this is not cool. But let's do a quick little speed test on it, and let's see what it's doing. So as you can see, it shows Verizon. All right, now it's trying to find the server. There you go. Whoa, 110 ping, 64 jitter. It has to be on LTE right here. So 8 down. Wow, the upload is better than my home internet with Verizon, because mine caps at 20. And 23.9 on the up. Yes, guys, we were still recording on the Pixel 7 Pro. I don't know. It has focus issues at night, I guess. But guys, let me go in the settings here real quick. All right, guys, so what you do is you go to 192.168.1.1, and then the password is right down here in the bottom to get the password for the router. So let me put this back up here where I had it. Okay, so now that we're in the actual menu itself, guys, so now let's see if we can turn on the 5 gigahertz or the Wi-Fi 6. All right, so now let's hit next, because we don't care about, or actually, hold on a second. Let's go back real quick. Actually, let's see what it let me go back real quick to change the password on this, because I'm just going to make it easy. I'm just going to put the normal password that I like using on these things for the test devices. Okay, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guess Wi-Fi off. Okay, apply. It's applied the settings, and then what it's going to do is going to reboot, and it's going to make me re-enter the password. Guys, let me get this going, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, now we are here in the actual settings. I'm going to put you guys here a little zoom, so as you can see, my Pixel's connected. All right, let's check the Wi-Fi settings here. So primary network, So it says here it's using 2.4 and 5. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disable 2.4 because we don't want that. So apply. Okay. It probably might reboot the router. So let's see here real quick. Does it reboot you? It's probably going to. So let me submit this and then I'll be right back again. Okay, now that it is done, guys, so let's check here real quick. Okay, 5 gigahertz, Wi-Fi 6. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we are at Wi-Fi 6. All right, let's see what other, let me zoom back in here. Let me see what other menus there are here. So IoT network has that. It has Wi-Fi protected setup. So if you want to enter a WPS pin and all that, so that's pretty good. It has a guest network too. If you want to set one up, you could set one up. So let's go to devices, device. Oh, so you could set like a QoS. That's nice. You could, it actually has parental controls too. That's good. Now let's see system status. Okay, this gives you like your IP addresses to the network. It has IPv6. Oh wow, it actually has IPv6. Interesting, nice. Okay, so open source software. Oh, okay, that's just the straight talk stuff. All right, let's see here. Let's go to advanced. Let's check out the advanced. So diagnostics and monitoring. So you can do diagnostics on the modem, bandwidth monitoring, which is really nice. Let's see here on the network settings. So you got your IPv4, of course, your IPv6. Okay, then you got your network connections. So this tells you your Ethernet's connected, your Wi-Fi, your access points, all that good stuff. All right, let's see. Does this have cellular? Let's see, radio management. All this tells you about your management on your Wi-Fi. Okay, network settings. Let me see here. Okay, this just tells you, let's see here. So it has your routing. Oh, nice. It has port configurations, network objects. So this is good. This is literally, guys, like an actual like home internet, what a home internet would do. You know, not like, unfortunately, like our counterpart of the T-Mobile home internet router that doesn't offer all this stuff. So system settings. Okay, so that's that. Administrator license, LED brightness, time, date, system status. Okay. Now, what I want to know is, does it tell you about your network connections? I guess it does not, guys. So it doesn't give you status to your network connections. All right, guys. So let's just re-speed test this now that we got it on the 5 gigahertz. So there you go, 23 ping 5 jitter. Now we got better. Ah, there you go. So 23 ping 5 jitter, 142 down. Oh wow, look at that upload. And 63.3 on the upload. Damn, not even my home internet gets that high. It caps at 20. Holy crap. Okay, so let me grab my Verizon line. And now that it's on ultra wideband, let's see what the actual Verizon line's doing. Okay, 36 ping, 55 jitter. Okay, 202 down. And 38 upload. Damn, so this thing is able to pick up better speed. So let me go buy a cell phone tower, guys. Let me go buy an N77 tower and we'll be right back. I know this is going to be pretty long, but just follow me through this, guys. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we are here at a tower site right here, and as you can see, they have the N77. Okay, so let's test it right here. We got the box right there. 16 ping, 3 jitter. Damn, so it's slow. It's weird. So maybe I wasn't connected to N77 in that area, or if I was, or maybe the provisioning on the box was still provisioning. But damn, man, now it's getting 101 down and 9.62 on the up. That's on the Pixel 7 Pro. Now let's try on the iPhone 13 Pro. Let's see here, 14 ping, 1 jitter. Damn, so it's getting I guess they did mean it when they said the speeds between 20 to 100 and 3 to 10 on the upload. So 103 down. I guess maybe the box was provisioning at the time and it just finished provisioning or something. I don't know. And then 9.66 on the up. Now let's see if we load both of these phones at the same time. All right, let's see here. Okay, so we're loading both of them at the same time. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just like trying to get it to where we can show both at the same time. I don't know what's up with this Pixel camera. I'm so sorry. So on the Pixel, 15 ping, 10 jitter, 75.1 on the down. And then let's see what it does. Let's see what it does on the up real quick. And then 8.20 on the up. And on the iPhone, because we were running both at the same time, 15 ping, 4 jitter, 59.9 by 5.59 on the up. But I don't know, guys. I mean, you guys let me know, what do you think about this box situation? I'm gonna be doing more testing, you know, and I'm gonna test it with the actual Verizon box. I'm gonna test it with the business box. You know, we're gonna see from there. So this is fast. And damn, man, they're only giving you 10 Mbps. So it looks like they're throttling the video, guys. You know, so I don't know. You guys tell me in the down below, what do you think? You know, we're gonna be doing more testing with this, and who knows? Maybe I might just give it away to somebody. I don't know. All right, thank you for tuning in, guys, to this video, and I'm so sorry about the focus issues. You know, I guess the Pixel's not good to film at night. But other than that, we're going to catch you in the next one, guys, and peace. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.